Hey guys, alright, this is a Robeson 20-inch box fan. I'll tell you the story behind this here in a moment. You'll see at the top it says, not for sale for $6.99. Okay. Anywho's. The story behind this fan is every time Spats and I went in this one particular thrift store in Pittsburgh, we wanted this one because it has the older style grill with the X on it and no badge in the center. It's just blank with an X. I've asked about it several times, and I've been told by cashiers, floor workers, and the management, actually, that this fan is not for sale, and I quote, because they don't make them like they used to. We know this one's going to last forever, so we use it for store use. Okay, well, fine. I happened by there today, and I saw this fan, which says not for sale still, but for $6.99 at said thrift store. So, of course, the first thing I did was grab it. This is as found. I haven't even plugged it in yet, but I'm sure it still works. I'm not going to mess with it until I've cleaned it and oiled it, and then I will take a look and see the function of it. So don't worry about the permanent marker. I can get that off, as you will see here in a moment, as well as the dirt and all the cracks and crevices. That'll all be cleaned, and it'll be oiled up here in just a moment, as usual, through the magic of video editing. So here you go. This is after it's been cleaned. All the residue has been taken off of it. It's been waxed. All the plastics have been run through the dishwasher, and it works great. And there's not much to say other than all the grime is gone. Okay, well, and Leah over here is intent on letting everyone know that she helped. Did you help? Leah? Did you help? Boosh. Okay. Anyhow, here's the finished product, and here is high. Medium. Low. Which, as you can see, low is a very low. This does have the Marco 3-speed motor. Not the Macmillan, but the Marco 3-speed, which has a low. Very quiet. You don't hear it at all. The only thing that I hear is that Lakewood off to my left. I think it's a P47 maybe. It's the 3-speed electrically reversible on the stand. Drying some stuff hanging from the ceiling over there to my left. And this cat? God. Yes, hi, I'm making a video. Why are you swatting at me? I'm making a video here. Anyhow, sorry about that. I am sorry about the interruption from felines. Here you go. Now I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to turn it around. Just like this. And we'll do a start up from the rear. Here's high. Medium. And low. There you go. There's that low. And again, like I was telling you in the beginning, this fan was at a local thrift shop. It was up on a shelf and running all the time, 24/7 for years. Management told me, no, we're not selling it because these old fans last forever. The newer ones don't. So it's not for sale. And then just randomly one day, there it is, $6.99. Okay, we're selling low. Can't really hear it. You can only feel it. Maybe you can. No, maybe you guys online can hear the wind noise, but For me, I don't hear it at all. I just feel it. But in any event, OFF spells off. So there you go. It's all cleaned up, oiled up, brand new looking. And there you go. Make sure to hit like. Make sure to hit subscribe. And furthermore, stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Bye-bye.